Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest, in-depth reviews. Today, we're taking a close look at what we're calling the best no-spill pouch topper on the market, the haakaa multifunctional silicone spout. If you're a parent dealing with messy mealtimes or transitioning your toddler from bottle to pouch, you'll want to stick around. We've got a full breakdown of features, use cases, and why this tiny tool could be a game-changer in your daily routine. The haakaa multifunctional silicone spout is a 2-pack of soft, food-grade silicone toppers that attach to baby food pouches or compatible water bottles. It's designed for toddlers who are still developing drinking skills. The spouts are made from 100% food-grade silicone, completely BPA-free, with no PVC or phthalate. They're soft enough to be gentle on tiny gums and teeth, yet durable enough to withstand daily use, bites, and enthusiastic squeezes from active little hands. One of the standout features is its no-spill design. The spout uses an X-cut flow control system that only activates when suction or pressure is applied, meaning it won't leak or drip when tilted or dropped. This greatly reduces mess and minimizes choking risk by preventing uncontrolled flows. If your toddler is learning how to drink independently, this design provides a safe, controlled, and frustration-free experience. Parents know that preventing a single spill can feel like a huge win. This product delivers that peace of mind. Now, let's talk compatibility. The haakaa topper fits most baby food pouches and many standard water bottles, so you're not locked into a specific brand. Whether you're at home, out at the park, or on a car ride, you can pop it on a snack pouch or bottle and go. However, a quick heads up, it's not compatible with haakaa's own silicone pouches and bags. It's a bit ironic, but good to know before you buy. In terms of build, this thing is tough. Made to last through daily use, dishwasher cycles, and toddler wear and tear, it's a product that can handle a bit of chaos. Cleaning is simple. Either rinse it under warm water, toss it in the dishwasher, or sterilize it for extra hygiene. This makes it not only practical but low maintenance for busy parents juggling 100 other things. The haakaa multifunctional silicone spout is more than just a sippy tool, it's a smart parenting accessory. It's compact, lightweight, safe, and designed with thoughtful details that prioritize both parent and toddler needs. At around $9.99 for a 2-pack, it's an affordable upgrade to your feeding toolkit. If you're tired of juice box explosions, puree spills, and endless cleanups, this might be one of the simplest ways to make mealtime smoother. Easy to use, easy to clean, and genuinely helpful. For toddlers learning to drink, this is one product that earns its place in your diaper bag. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you've tried the haakaa topper or have questions before buying, drop them in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more smart product reviews. See you next time.